Hey guys, welcome back to MiiBooth. Irfan here. Now I like to unbox and review all sorts of gadgets, but especially value for money gadgets. And what I have today is along the lines of that. This is the Tronsmart Element T6 Bluetooth speaker. It has a massive battery and can pump out 25 watts. And the bass is amazing. And all that for 41 US dollars. You know what? I'm gonna let it do the talking, but first, unboxing.
If gadget reviews, DIY projects, and life hacks are your thing, then consider subscribing to my booth and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of the action.
Here is the box, pretty tough and rigid. You can rest assured nothing is going to happen to the speaker inside with this kind of box. All the main features mentioned on the front and back. Inside we have first a warranty card, the speaker, and another box which has the user manual, micro USB charging cable, and an auxiliary cable for wired connection. Looking at the speaker, size-wise it is almost the same, actually a little shorter than a 500 ml bottle of water and slightly fatter than it. So the height is 19 centimeters and diameters is 7 centimeters. It feels very solid to the touch, very neat finishing and great build quality, very decent weight as well. You can easily compare it to the big names when it comes to the material quality. The mesh on top is some kind of a mixture of fabric and polyester. I'm not sure what, but it feels very similar to that on Alexa's speakers. On the plastic band running through the side, we have a concealed charging port and a 3.5 mm audio jack for the aux cable. On the top, we have the function buttons, and this silver wheel is the volume knob, and it simply feels great just spinning it around. So you simply press the power button for a couple of seconds to turn it on. You can connect it using either the aux cable or Bluetooth. When you plug in the aux cable, the LED ring on the top turns green and your connection is good to go. And when you connect it via Bluetooth, the LED ring turns solid blue. It can be your phone, laptop, iPad, whatever. Now let's hear something. We fought for the better and made us better creatures. Oh Allah, we've shamed ourselves. Wow, it does pack quite a punch for its size. It has great sound clarity and bass. I mean, it is literally causing the table to vibrate. And the claim of 360 degrees sound on the box also seems to be true, because I tried circling around the speaker and the sound experience seems uniform from all sides. What's the purpose of this life? Where people murder and lie. How can I stop the corruption? Oh Allah. Now the volume ring turns indefinitely when you increase or decrease the volume, but it does let you know when you have reached the maximum or minimum. The LED ring blinks red when you do so. At max volume, the sound is enough to fill a large room. Even at the farthest corner, the voice is clearly audible. Actually, it is more than audible. We can't keep hiding from the truth and let it take us by surprise. You can also use the next and previous buttons to change tracks on your device. It can be a YouTube playlist or your device's built-in audio player. Doesn't matter, it can change either way. You can take incoming calls as well straight from the speaker. There's a built-in microphone as well, so you can speak directly into it even if your phone is not next to you. And if you press the phone button for about 3 seconds, it will dial the most recent number you dialed. Not the one you received, but the one you dialed recently. The speaker houses a massive 5200 mAh battery which can give up to 15 hours on a full charge at 60% volume. Now I haven't tested this exactly for 15 hours, but if it doesn't deliver, I will update it in my YouTube and Insta stories, so make sure you have subscribed to my booth on all platforms. Links in the description below.
Falling the target button, the wheel can be used now to change focus of the scene. To take a photo, you can press.
To be honest, I'm still surprised at the sound quality. It is so sharp, crisp, clear, and the bass is so deep, heavy, and dynamic. This is budget portable entertainment at its finest. Sure, you can't expect like home sound system sound quality from it, but talking about price to performance ratio, I'll rank it right next to the big guys up there. Some food shared it with a family. Then they thanked Allah for what they had and then He let them be. I tried my best to give you a feel of it, but you're still hearing it through my camera's microphone, so you can't completely feel it. In person, it is way better. But if you are in Dubai, you might be in luck. October 6th to 10th is the GTEX Technology Week, I'm not talking about the GTEx Shopper, that's already over. 6th to 10th is the Tech Week, and Tronsmart is going to be showcasing their speakers and other tech at stall number SME11. You can come down and get real close up with the speaker I just showed you, and even other models and even other tech they have to display. If you want one online, I'll leave links to that too in the description box below. That's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button below, and while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to my booth for more gadget reviews, DIYs and life hacks. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Instructables. All the links are in the description box below. Click on the thumbnails to watch my other videos or check out my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching.